usually get nervous when I'm around.
We're in the big van.
Yeah. Hold on, my seatbelt ain't right.
Is it not?
Yeah. Oh well. My phone go.
Caitlin saying that you can learn
I'm trying to. My seatbelt's not working.
Do you know Brittany Wade? Actually, Whitney Breeden. Have you talked to Mama since she's going to
I know Brittany Bailey.
Nope.
I mean, Whitney Breeden.
Nah, buckle.
Hey Ryan, you remember your video in the big van? That was great.
No, but
I'm trying to get buckled up.
She knows.
do you know her?
She gonna bring you back
I know.
some seashells?
I don't know they would get her before.
That's what I'm saying. They're
Dear
probably-
friend.
She was. He still ain't buckle!
Yes, I am.
Hey, Ron.
After.
Did she ask you about Bible school? She mad.
This is hilarious.
I know. You like staring at me.
Now she's actually
Yeah.
Whitney Breeden?
I am buckled
You're
up.
sitting on it!
I'm not going to tell you no more to buckle up because we're in the church. She's saying buckle up.
Wow. Wow.
This is going on YouTube, dude.
Get it on.
Did you see that card?
As soon as we get there, we're going to have to line up.
Oh, wow. Wow. Okay.
Cheyenne, who's Cheyenne?
My friend Cheyenne.
Cheyenne's a girl who's in 7th grade that likes Ryan.
Watch that.
Holy dude!
Jared, look. Listen.
Cheyenne
Yeah.
who?
Look, dude.
Alan,
Look,
the one
dude,
who
look.
came over.
Oh, that one. I don't know that one.
Yes.
I gotta buckle up
How's
before.
Whitney Breeden?
Cheyenne,
Okay,
just-
hey Brian, I want you to participate.
Aw.
You got to participate because Colette will get on to you. You do that music and you participate.
My music is dumb. I'm like, God.
Guys, watch what you say at church. Try to don't say no bad words.
Ryan.
Some.
She can
Don't
be.
You're like,
He's buckled up, little dude.
no.
You want to participate on your
Ryan,
next
Cheyenne wants to marry you.
You're not
believe
talking to her.
No, I mean, it's showing something.
Maybe.
Yeah, that's probably true.
That's it.
Is he buckled up, little dude? Dude,
I don't feel like
what's that
buckling
little
up.
dude's name?
Hunter.
Hunter, is he buckled up?
Hold on, bro.
Yeah, he
He
is.
buckled up?
Yeah,
Awesome.
buckle up. Don't leave him alone.
You're not in this video.
Yeah, you are. Ryan.
What?
Cheyenne and her 9-year-old little sister both think you're hot.
Definitely.
Oh!
It's just.
I think I'm gonna label this video "Buckle Up."
Buckle up, you said. Buckle up says a snitch.
Are you putting that on YouTube? Are you putting that on YouTube? What the?
Is he buckled up, Hunter?
Are you on YouTube?
Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, what about?
Yeah, good job, Ryan. You finally learned how to buckle up.
No, no.
I'm moving the seat. The seatbelt ain't working on me.
Ryan,
You changing the seatbelt.